If you like videos like this, feel free to click the link in my description to have access to my posing guide that will take your photos to the next level. Hey everyone, so this is part 2 of how to pose with your friend. I'm with, what's your name?
Fifi.
Fifi. So I'm with Fifi. He's a model for SuitBae. You have seen him all over the internet. And in this video, we're gonna be continuously showing you how to pose with a friend. We're here in London, we're outside Westminster Abbey. We're surrounded by, you know, a lot of monuments. So stay tuned, guys. Let's go! Bonus pose 6, the back-to-back power pose. We shot this right in front of Big Ben. London architecture already gives height, so we use the structure to boost our presence. Stand back to back, but angle your chest slightly outward so it doesn't look stiff. This pose works perfectly for tailored suits, which gives off a powerful and clean look. Bonus pose 7 is perfect for iconic locations. London's red phone booths always hit, but the trick is to keep the pose simple. One person leans casually, the other stays structured. Let the landmark breathe, let it do the storytelling, and your outfits become the finishing touch. Bonus pose 8 is where you get creative. We found these statues in central London, and instead of just standing beside them, we interacted with them. I sat between them, laughing like we were in conversation. My friend leaned over, adding a sense of motion and personality. When you involve your environment, your photos become unique. Posing is not just positions, it's storytelling. So guys, now we've come to the end of the video, and now you know how to pose with your friend in different locations. We shot in Miami, as you saw, we shot in London. So now I want you guys to practice using the examples I've shown you. So at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a summary of all poses, the 5 poses I mentioned and the bonus 3. Always remember, it's a ready or no if you don't try. Stay blessed. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to pose with a friend using 5 clean, stylish poses you can do anywhere. But what you don't know is that I've got 3 bonus poses at the end of this video. We're starting in Miami with YouTube legend Austin Dunham, and then we're flying back to London for more advanced editorial poses with a SuitBae model. This video is full of posing tips, storytelling, and behind-the-scene moments. Let's jump straight into pose 1. Hey everyone, so right now I'm in Miami Beach specifically. I'm with the legend Austin Dunham.
What's up, guys?
So we're going to be shooting behind the scenes of posing videos of how to take photos with a friend. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss it. Pose 1 might look simple, but the story behind it is crazy. We're standing on Ocean Drive, one of the most iconic streets in Miami. The colors, the music, the palm trees, the chaos. It already feels like a movie scene. Then we saw this vintage 1964 Cadillac, the exact style of car used in the Scarface movie. So now the backdrop isn't just Miami, it's Miami with cinematic history. Then I looked at Austin and said, bro, we need cigars for this. So we grabbed 2 cigars, posted up against the Cadillac, and created what I call the classic Scarface car lean pose. Here's the trick. Let both your personalities decide the pose. Austin Dunham took the relaxed stance, cigar in his mouth, shades on. I took the more confident stance, pink suit, cigar in the mouth, but we both looked amazing. 2 contrasting energies, 1 Cadillac, but this is how you pose to tell a story. Pose 2 happened naturally. We were sitting at a restaurant on Ocean Drive, cigars, iced drinks, people walking past, and Austin said something funny. I pointed at him while laughing, and the reaction was perfect. That's when I realized this is an amazing pose. The point and reaction pose works perfectly because it captures real friendship energy. One person is expressive and the other is relaxed. Real emotion, real chemistry, no stiffness. Pose 3 was shot right next to Miami Beach. We saw this stone wall, the light was perfect, and we used the environment instead of just standing around. The secret to this pose is direction. One person faces the camera, the other turns slightly to create dimension. This gives the photo that real cinematic and lifestyle feel. Angles make photos powerful, even small ones. Pose 4 is what I call the stair level pose. Steps are your best friend. They naturally create height difference, which instantly adds depth. Austin stood one step above me in a relaxed lean. I kept my poser strong on the lower step. By you using different levels, the photo becomes more dynamic without you even moving. This is perfect for fashion shoots. Pose 5 is the classic strong stance. We shot this near the Versace mansion, bright sun, clean shadows, perfect lines. This pose works because it's all about confidence. Feet grounded, shoulders square, no overthinking. When two guys stand strongly like this, especially in sharp outfits, the energy becomes powerful and cinematic. If you like videos like this, feel free to click the link in the description for my posing guide that will take your photos to the next level. Additionally, also feel free to check out my other videos, posing tips for men, posing tips for women, that will take your photos to the next level. All right, so those are the 5 poses you asked for. However, the video's not over because I have a surprise. I have bonus tips for you guys. So I flew back to London wearing a suit, met up with a Suit Supply model, and we created poses in London's iconic spots. These next poses are cleaner, sharper, and perfect for anyone who wants a fashion-focused look.